Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we are gonna talk about the best iPad AirFi 2022 Car Mounts Headrest you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon so never miss an update. The emerging trend is for premium automobiles to integrate all of your varied electronics. Today's premium cars comes with a large screen to manage your navigation and entertainment needs, because most of us can't afford a Tesla Model S. iPad mounts are a good substitute in this world of automobile tablet mounts. New design development have resulted in a variety of versions that serve various functions. These accessories combine your iPad with a mounted touchscreen navigation system, a viewing screen, and a music player. This list is based on my personal opinion and research, and lists them based on random memory. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started our countdown. On number 5. Factory MagConnect. In any vehicle, the Factory MagConnect seat bolt mount helps maintain your iPad in the best possible position for a quick and simple access. It can be readily fastened to your car seats, making it universally suitable with a wide range of vehicles. The mount allows you to adjust your device to your favorite position, and it can be also folded away when not in use. The seat belt mount is great for users like trucks and taxi drivers who use mobile application to navigate while driving. It keeps your iPad in plain straight while allowing you to stay focused on the road. A solid tray keeps the iPad and other tablets safe. When you attach the iPad mount to the MagConnect, the powerful magnet on the holder immediately interlocks, and you may tighten the mount using a screw for a better fit. It also designed with high-quality carbon fiber arms for a lightweight, sturdy design that also secure to install. On number 4. Arkon Truck or Car Tablet. The Arkon Table FSM table mount is a seat, rail or floor attachment that might be handy for drivers who need GPS navigation or entertainment when driving long distances. We don't encourage viewing movies while driving, but if your car doesn't have a built-in navigation system, this is a great alternative. The mount, which is made of sturdy aluminum, can be mounted to the seat rail or the floor of any car or truck to hold 9 to 12-inch iPads. The attachment is ideal for those who want easy access to their iPad but prefer to affix it to something more sturdy than a windshield, dashboard, or air vent. Arkon Slim Grip Universal Tablet Mount and a 22-inch flexible metal goosey neck seat rail floor mount are included in the kit. A swivel ball mechanism gives tremendous flexibility and excellent placement for the mount's goosey neck. The Slim Grip spring-loaded mount keeps the iPad securely in place and allows it to be set and removed with only one hand. The mount design also keeps any side button and ports visible for convenient access. On number 3. TFY Universal Car Headrest. The TFY Universal Vehicle Headrest Mount is safe and dependable iPad car mount for any household. The mount is made of a durable synthetic leather that resists strain as well as wear and tear. Furthermore, it has a smooth inside lining that protects your iPad from scraps and damage. This mount is a universal holder that may be used in any vehicle or car seat. For greater control, the design guarantees that every car passenger or driver has easily and rapid access to the iPad ports and controls. This mount also includes an adjustable Velcro strap for safe and convenient fastening to any car's headrest. The iPad holder is compatible with all major iPad models, which is a huge plus. On number 2. AHK Headrest Stand. For a single passenger, place your tablet exactly behind the car seat. For several passengers, place it between the driver and passenger seats. The swivel ball connection for 360 degrees rotation with tilt mechanism on the car headrest tablet mount is perfect for both portrait and landscape orientations. Multi-angle rotation enables for a range of position changes to reach the optimum viewing angle you desire. It's easy to have a strong and flexible arm. Allow your youngster or the backseat passenger to be entertained while traveling long distances with a tablet headrest holder, which is precisely designed for car headrests. During road journeys, it's ideal for rear passengers to view movies, read ebooks, play games, and so on. On number 1, Lamicall Headrest Stand. You can rotate the backseat headrest mount 360 degrees and at whatever angle you like. All you have to do is to adjust the extendable leg of the backseat headrest mount and is ready to use. The telescopic arm efficiently minimizes vibration, while firmly hold your backseat and electronic, and the soft rubber interior protects your device from friction. This upgraded version of the car headrest foot mount is compatible with a wider range of vehicle types. The distance between the headrest rods may be adjusted between 2.8 and 5.9 inches, which is 70 to 150 millimeters. So guys, this was the video about the best iPad Air 5 2022 car mounts. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this one. Thank you so much.